Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith Shannon with Direct Carpet. Today we are putting in a carpet over concrete. This is a basement reno makeover. We are going to show you the process, what we do, and how much this costs so you can do something like this in your basement as well. Today we're using a carpet called Trip to Tokyo, and we're using a 10 mil gold foil top underpad. Now here I'm going to start with the perimeter work. We're going to spread out the concrete smooth edge around the perimeter and bang that into the concrete. Not the most fun one can have, but it is a necessary evil to stretch the carpet and keep the carpet taut and tight. Now, here we're looking at the ceramic tiles in the bathroom. Now, I didn't do these tiles, obviously, but somebody that I'm not too impressed with did. These tiles are so high that it's a little ridiculous. So what we have to do is we have to put in a cedar shim to bring up the level so that you don't actually stub your toe or trip. This is an extreme angle, so I've had to use 2 layers of cedar shims, and we're using a glue called PAM and a PAM system to glue this to the concrete. It is extremely strong glue. This is not going anywhere. But this is what's necessary when you have a contractor come in and doesn't do a proper job with the tiles. And they kind of stick it to the carpet guy to fix it. And that should have been down right to the ground on the concrete with a J-mold on the edge, but it wasn't, so we fixed it. And there is Rob bringing down the 10 mil gold underpad. Here I am with Rob bringing in the 50 mil Trip to Tokyo carpet. We're going to get it set up in the first area. This first area is 22.2 feet long with an 11-foot seam. Now we're just back folding and getting into position. Now I'm going to use that factory edge as a straight edge, as a guide, and then I will line this up against the baseboard as to not waste any carpet. Now, I'm sure you're interested in the price of what this install is going to cost. We'll get to that in a bit. Stay tuned. But what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process of the install and how long this install takes. Maybe 3 hours for the install in total. Now I'm just lining it up against the wall here, getting in a position before I make my release cut on the left-hand side. Little short there in the corner. Let's kick it back. There we go. Lined up. Rob and I are going to pull that through. Rob is against the wall there protecting the paint because it is abrasive and we don't want to scratch the paint. There's our shims. Now obviously these people spend a lot of time with their contractor, putting in the walls, putting in the bathroom. We're the last to come in, as we should be. Baseboards are done, baseboards are set, 1/4 inch high. We come in and basically within 3-4 hours we transform your entire basement to a brand new, functioning, fun place to hang out. Now like I said, this carpet's called Trip to Tokyo. The color is called Macrame, which is a gray taupe color. Very plushy, very soft, very nice. 50-ounce carpet. Easy to seam. Almost invisible seams. Here we go. We're going to spread out the seaming tape. We're going to put that seaming tape under. Splitting the difference in the middle, obviously. Now that seaming tape, for those that don't know, that has glue on it. That is a hot iron. We heat that up to around 400 degrees and then we melt the glue. Give it a little tractor and then I put a dryer on. Basically that sucks all the heat out of the hot seam and cools it nice and flat. You can see how great this carpet seams up. Looks amazing, really. Yeah, Keith, but how much does it cost? Okay, well, we're gonna get to that. Now we're gonna give this a little stretch. Nice and tight. You don't want ripples or bubbles in your carpet. Now, like I said, this is a 50-ounce carpet with a 10 mil gold underpad. 3 to 4 hour installation. Now this is not your typical carpet. This is middle of the road to a little bit more expensive. We are installing 76 yards plus the stairs plus the cedar shims. The cost for this job, the entire job, was $3,620 before tax. But these days, for $3,600, for someone to come in and completely transform a basement, from what I've been buying lately, $3,600 is pretty good. Now this stuff's got a great warranty. It's super great for dogs, super great for kids, super soft. Great carpet for the basement to hang out in and feel warm, secure, safe, all that good stuff. I actually loved putting this in. It was a fun job for me. Now, no basement renovation is complete without carpet on the stairs. Nice and soft and warm. Obviously, we're in a colder climate, so carpet is nice in the basement. So we'll just clean all the fluff out of there. We're going to put our staples in under the nose in a 45. Gives it a really nice look. Give it a little kick, tighten it up. And here's the finished result. Like I said, this carpet is called Trip to Tokyo, 76 yards. The cost was $3,620. And it looks dynamite. It looks amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to drop me a comment down below. Ask any questions. Tell us if you like this video and we'll get you more.